So hi everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a video that was requested from my lifestyle channel, my family vlog channel, DN Vlogs Life. I made some red carrot juice, carrot juice, and I posted a picture, and I also asked people if they want me to color my hair with beets. Now this is beets, this is what it looks like. So today I'm going to be testing part of my hair with beets. I've never done it before, so I'm going to be testing this part of my hair with the beet and see what it turns out to be. So let us go to the juicer right now. Let us go juice up this beet and I'll walk you through the process. And I've never done this before, so I don't know if it will work or not. Okay, so to start off, this is what the beet looks like, and I'm going to be cutting off the skin. Now this beet will change the color of your hand, so if you don't want your hands to change color, please wear a glove. So we're just gonna use a potato peeler just to peel it off. So now we've already peeled the beet in there, so I'm gonna slice the beet, and now we're gonna put it inside the blender, or you can use your juicer. This is what the beet looks like. So from one small beet fruit or beetroot, I get about 50 ml, give or take, right here, and that's what I'm going to be using for. You might be wondering, why are we at the stove? Well, from what I've read and what I've watched, they said that if you wanted to activate the coloring, that you need to heat up the beet just for a little bit. So we're gonna heat up this beet just for a little bit. So it has finished heating up, and I'm going to just take it. I'm going to transfer it back into the container that it was in and just allow it to cool down just a little bit. So this step, I don't really know, I don't understand it, I don't get it. I don't know why you have to heat it up and cool it down. It doesn't make any sense to me, but we're going to try it that way. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. So 1, 2, and kind of let everything marinate in there. So just mix it really good. So we're going to fill in the beet juice into this container, and I'm using a spray bottle so that it will spray evenly. Now I'm using a funnel so that I can pour the beet juice in there without spilling. So let's do this. That is perfect. You can see perfectly done. Okay, so now let me remove this and put everything. Remember, beet juice messes up a lot, so I'm just putting my stopper or my spray nozzle in there, and this is the beet juice. Okay, so this is my hair. I've already shampooed it, and I shampooed it with a clarifying shampoo, this Suave clarifying shampoo, to strip out everything. And then I did a very mild conditioning, and I used VO5 for a quick rinse out conditioner, because I was still gonna wash my hair later on. So this is my hair color right now. You can see what it looks like. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start spraying it to my hair. So if you don't want to get it to your scalp, you want to put some Vaseline on your scalp, but I don't really care because I'm still going to wash my hair. So just spray it really, really well. So I'm not seeing any changes right now, but let's keep on spraying it. Okay, so I think I've already sprayed as much as I can without it dripping all over the place. Do you guys notice any changes? I don't. I see a bit of a tint over here. Could be because of my Yeah, so but my hair feels really nice and really soft. It actually feels more vibrant with the color. Oh, now you can see the color. So this is the color right now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, because this is dripping all over the place, I actually have something on the floor that I'm using to catch all the drippiness. So you see it's a nice burgundy color. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get some saran wrap, and I'm going to take the saran wrap and wrap my hair with it. Now if you have a shower cap, you can, if you're doing your entire hair. So I'm just taking a saran wrap right now, and I'm just wrapping my hair with it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait for about, at least, you want to wait at least 4 hours, or you can wait overnight. It's 3:25 right now. I'm going to wait until, I'm going to give it about, let me say about 5 hours. Okay, so it is 9:22 p.m. the same day, and so I've left it on for about exactly 6 hours, longer than I actually wanted to leave it. So let's do the big reveal. According to all the information I've read about using beet juice to color your hair, it says after you remove it from your hair, remove the wrapping or whatever from your hair, you're supposed to rinse out your hair and then condition it. So now I've removed it from my hair. You can see the color in there, but what is going on with my hair right now? Is it colored? I don't see any difference. Maybe the tips of it. So I'm gonna go rinse it and then go add in some conditioner to my hair and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so I've rinsed it off and my hair is back to black. I brought a piece of paper just to kind of show, to see if I can show a contrast with the paper. That's not really doing much of anything. So this is it. I don't see a difference in the color of my hair. My hair almost seems like a dullish color, so I'm going to take part of my hair that I didn't color. So I'm doing everything close up so that we can compare. So this is my hair without nothing in it, no products, nothing. This is my other hair. So let's see if I compare the two. Do you guys see any difference? It looks pretty much the same to me. Doesn't look as if this thing colored. Well, it did color my scalp over there, but it didn't color anything but my scalp. So does beet juice color the hair? Well, black hair, well, I don't notice any difference. I really don't notice any difference. If you guys notice any difference, let me know. This is my report of this incident. I don't think I noticed any difference. So this is the end of the video. It was a waste of time, but I did enjoy the experience. What am I going to be doing with my beet juice from now on? I'm just going to be drinking it. I'm not going to attempt to put it in my hair. Some people say it softens the hair. My hair has been softened by other things, so I'm not going to waste the healthy things that beet juice can do to my body on my hair, because my hair is going to get the benefits anyway. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this experience, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.